Welcome to Explained Axie Infinity Axie Movesets Explained. A comprehensive guide to understanding the different movesets in Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has a unique set of attributes and abilities that determine its moveset. To start, it is essential to understand the different types of moves in Axie Infinity. There are 4 main types of moves: melee, ranged, healing, and shielding. Melee moves deal damage to enemies in close range, while ranged moves deal damage from a distance. Healing moves restore health to the Axie, and shielding moves provide a protective barrier to absorb damage. Each Axie has 4 slots for moves, and players can choose from a variety of moves to create a unique moveset. The key to creating an effective moveset is to balance damage output, healing, and shielding. A well-rounded moveset should include a mix of melee and ranged moves, as well as healing and shielding moves. When creating a moveset, it is crucial to consider the Axie's attributes, such as its health, speed, and morale. Axies with high health can withstand more damage and may not need as many shielding moves, while Axies with low health may require more shielding moves to survive. Similarly, Axies with high speed can move quickly around the battlefield and may benefit from melee moves, while Axies with low speed may need to rely on ranged moves. In addition to attributes, players should also consider the Axie's class and breed when creating a moveset. Different classes and breeds have unique abilities and strengths that can be leveraged to create a powerful moveset. For example, the reptile class has a high attack power, making them well suited for melee moves, while the bird class has high speed, making them well suited for ranged moves. To illustrate the concept of movesets, let's consider an example. Suppose we have an Axie with high health and speed, and we want to create a moveset that takes advantage of these attributes. We could choose 2 melee moves, such as a powerful bite and a swift kick, to deal damage to enemies in close range. We could also choose a healing move, such as a restorative bite, to restore health to the Axie, and a shielding move, such as a protective shell, to absorb damage. In conclusion, creating an effective moveset in Axie Infinity requires a deep understanding of the game's mechanics and the Axie's attributes. By balancing damage output, healing, and shielding, and considering the Axie's class and breed, players can create a powerful moveset that gives them an edge in battle. Remember to experiment with different movesets and strategies to find what works best for you and your Axies.